Hello, my dear Goinkans. Hope you're all fine. Students, today we'll continue with the topic decimals. And in this module, we are going to solve some word problems of exercise number 4, which is in your book on page number 98. So let's begin. So question is, Meenal has rupees 43.25 in her pocket and Ishan has rupees 43.75. Who has more money? So in question, what is given to us? Meenal has rupees 43.25 in her pocket and Ishan has rupees 43.75 in his pocket. So what we have to do? We have to compare the decimal numbers and we have to find out who has more money. So students, in order to compare decimal numbers, we have to follow some steps. So step number 1 is convert the decimal numbers into like decimals. But students, here we know that these decimal numbers are already like decimals, so we need not to convert them into like decimals. Now step 2 is compare the whole numbers. The numbers with the bigger whole number part is greater. So here students, this is our whole number part since the whole number part is same. Now students, in case the whole number parts are equal, then what we have to do? We have to compare the fractional part of the numbers. So here, this is the fractional part. The number with the greater value in the tens place is greater. So here at tens place, we have 2 and here at tens place, we have 7. So here students, as we can notice here, as we can see here, 7 is greater than 2. Isn't it? So that means 43.75 is greater than 43.25. That means Ishan has more money than Meenal. I hope students this is clear. Now let's move on to second question. We have during the day Lata drinks 0.65 liter milk and Aisha drinks 0.7 liter. Who drinks more milk? So what is given in the question? During the day, Lata drinks 0.65 liter milk. So quantity of milk drank by Lata during the day is equal to 0.65. And quantity of milk drank by Aisha during the day is equal to 0.7. So what we have to do? We have to compare both the decimal numbers and then we have to find out who drinks more milk. So students, as we already know, to compare the decimal numbers, we have to follow some steps. So step number 1 is convert the decimal numbers into like decimals. Here students, as we can notice here, the decimal numbers are unlike decimals. And we know that to convert a like decimals to like decimal, we have to add zeros to the right of the other decimal numbers as required. Since here we have to add zeros in this decimal number, so we will write it as 0.70. Now students, if you can notice here, now both the decimal numbers are like decimals. Now what is the step second? Compare the whole number part. The number with the bigger whole number part is greater. But here, the whole number part is equal. In case the whole number parts are equal, we have to compare the fractional part of the numbers. The number with the greater value in the tens place is greater. Since here, we have 6 at tens place and here we have 7 at tens place. Therefore, 7 is greater than 6. So we can say 0.70 is greater than 0.65. So that means Aisha drank more milk than Lata during the day. Now students, I hope you can try question number 7 and question number 8 of exercise number 4, which is in your book on page number 98. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.